So just take a look at my face. Take a look, guys. Take a look. Oh my!
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning on, you're welcome and thanks so much for joining me. My name is Carrie and here we talk about skincare lifestyle. We make sure you stay fit, healthy, and we make sure you're looking the best version of yourself.
This ain't Texas, ain't no hope.
I love being your love.
So why not go ahead and hit that button that says subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and let's go. So today I'm literally gonna try something that I have never tried on my face. Yes, I have never ever tried on my face. It's very common, but I never tried it on my face before, so I would love to try this product. So this is the coffee scrub. So I actually came up with this coffee scrub that is literally gonna blow out your mind. I have tried it on my face, on my skin before. I've tried on my skin before and it was super amazing, and I knowing the benefits of how it works or how your face is going to turn out once you use it. You know, I know there are lots and lots of coffee scrubs and different ways and methods of which people do come up with coffee scrubs, but today I'm gonna show you mine, which is literally gonna treat those scars on your face. It's definitely gonna treat hyperpigmentation. If you have a black neck or hyperpigmented neck, it's definitely gonna treat it. You can see my face, my skin is super clean, and guys, you want to have a skin like mine. Even if your skin tone is brown or your skin tone is darker than mine, you want it to be uniform. That's all what we're looking for. So guys, please stay tuned and enjoy how we're gonna come up with this mess. Before we go, take a look at my skin. Take a look, take a look, take a look, take a look. No makeup on, and I literally want to show you how it is from the start till the end. So guys, let's go. All right guys, welcome back, and here with me I do have my coffee. Yes, this is raw coffee, grounded, okay, although not so small, but we have some coffee. I'm gonna be using coffee, and I'm gonna be using olive oil. Yeah, olive oil is very good for your skin, and if you want to have a very greasy skin, and if you're someone who has a dry skin, then olive oil is here to help moisturize your skin, and it's also going to treat stretch marks, and it's also going to give you that glow. And so I'm gonna go ahead to have my lemon. Yeah, so let's begin. As long as I keep moving on, you will see the ingredients that I'm gonna be using into this video. So we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of coffee. Okay, it doesn't really matter how it is, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. Yeah, because I understand the measurements. I'll go ahead to 1 tablespoon. So it all depends on the quantity you want to use, so I don't just want it to be that much. So this is it, 1 tablespoon. Am I right? Yeah. And so that's it. And so the next ingredient that I'm gonna go ahead to use will be my olive oil. Yes, so it's still gonna be the eyeballing process. Okay, so let's go. So I'm gonna eyeball it. Let me eyeball it. 1 tablespoon. Yeah, so let's go. There we go. So next ingredient here is gonna be my lemon. Yeah, it's gonna be my lemon. So I'm just gonna need just a little bit. So 1 teaspoon of lemon will do. So just a little bit of this, okay, in here. Okay, we don't want so much of lemon. And lemon is actually gonna help clear away the dark spots on your face. And guys, last but not the least is gonna be honey. So I'm just eyeballing all these ingredients. So just a teaspoon of honey. So that's how it is, and our mask is ready. So that's it, and that's it. And also you can extend it all over your body, your hands, and all over, but then this video is just for the face, and you can allow it on your face for 10 minutes plus, or as long as you want. Okay, this is natural and it has got nothing to do with side effects. Okay, the only side effects is that your face is really gonna blow out.
So I'm literally done waiting and I'm about to wash my face. So like I said, you could actually leave this for 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, as you can see, I'm done washing, and you have to pat dry your face with a facial tissue. And guys, I can't wait for you to try this out and leave your comments down below. This is amazing. My face is self-glowing. Oh my guys, please, if you haven't tried this mask yet, then you are just buying time. Please do consider trying this mask and leave your comments below. Tell me how it looks like. Tell me how you felt after trying it.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product, and I'm so happy that you stayed until now. So I'm going to be using a facial serum, acne facial serum. It doesn't matter if you have acne or not. So this is definitely good for your skin. If you're breaking out, it's gonna help. If you want a glassy and smooth face, then it is also gonna give you that look. So guys, just take a look. This is super amazing. Alright guys, this is a final look, and tell me what you think down below. If you're watching this video from the start, just tell me what you think. This is the after picture. So guys, bye.